In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in Asana. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and manage your tasks more efficiently, setting up recurring tasks can be a game changer. Whether you're handling weekly updates, monthly reports, or daily to-dos, Asana allows you to automate these tasks seamlessly, so you don't have to recreate them each time they need to be done. So, let's dive right in and set this up together. To begin, make sure you have your Asana account open. Once you're logged into your workspace, navigate to the project where you want the recurring task to live. If you haven't already created a task, go ahead and click on the Add Task button. Enter the details of your task as you normally would. You can add a title, description, and any other relevant information that will help you and your team keep track of what needs to be done. It's helpful to be as specific as possible with your task details. This ensures clarity and reduces room for misunderstandings down the line. With your task details filled in, the next step is to set it as recurring. To do this, find the due date section on the task. Clicking on the due date will bring up a calendar interface. Right below the calendar, you'll see an option labeled Set to Repeat. Click on this, and you'll be provided with several options for how often you want the task to recur. Asana offers a range of frequencies: daily, weekly, monthly, and even custom schedules for whatever suits your needs best. For example, if you wish to be reminded to submit a report every Friday, select Weekly and choose Friday from the selection. Once you've selected your desired frequency, Asana will prompt you to decide on the repeat settings. Remember to confirm any end date if necessary. You can set the task to end after a certain period or never, depending on how long you need it to recur. After confirming these settings, just hit close, and your recurring task is now set. It will automatically populate as needed, following the schedule you've just set up. Don't forget, you can also assign this task to team members if collaboration is required. Just head over to the Assignee section and add whoever is responsible for the task. Lastly, if at any point you need to change recurrence details or discontinue the task, simply revisit the task's due date and adjust the repeat settings accordingly. It's that simple. Creating recurring tasks in Asana efficiently reduces manual labor and helps maintain a smooth workflow. Now you're set to reduce your workload with just a few clicks, freeing up your time for more pressing tasks. So go on, try setting up a recurring task and see how much time it saves you in your daily routine. Happy organizing!